Hi there, it's Greg King and welcome to my video on make money on YouTube without making videos, how to rank YouTube videos fast. And as a bonus, how to rank your YouTube videos on Google search just as fast. Stay tuned. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can rank your YouTube videos fast. And what I mean by fast, I mean like literally immediately. And as a bonus, how you can actually do the same thing to your video on the Google search, which is the #1 search platform in the world, and how you can also rank it on the Google carousel. And then in a moment, I'm going to share you some examples of how incredibly powerful the system is, this 24-hour ranking system that Paul Murphy has designed for your business. And it works with any business, whether or not you want to use the affiliate side of it, or if you want to rank your service or your product or your concept #1 on YouTube and #1 on the Google carousel. Then in a moment, I'm going to put the link to Paul's 24-hour ranking system on the screen and also in the description box. So make money on YouTube without making videos and how to rank YouTube videos fast. Now, I'm going to keep this video extremely short because I can blah, blah, blah and tell you all about it, but it's something you have to see. And where I'm going to go with this is I'm going to share with you how you can actually rank #1 on YouTube and at the same time, as a bonus, rank #1 on Google and also the Google search. And I'm going to actually share you some examples. But first, I'm going to actually share with you how you actually don't need a lot of subscribers. I have 13 subscribers. And my channel is Affiliate Tube Success Reviews. Now, there's no question that content is king, and you gotta have good content. This is not about the content. This is about getting your video, which is already good content, in front of bona fide buyers, because nothing beats competition than being the first on YouTube, the first on Google, and the first on the Google carousel. And you can see right here, as an example, and once again, I'm going to keep it really brief, is this is posted for free, or known as organically, the polite way of saying organically posted. It's the first page of YouTube, the first page of Google, and the first on the Google carousel, all done within 2 minutes with no views, and once again, with 13 subscribers. Is that not cool or what? I mean, you actually just jump to the front of the pack if you're just starting out doing the YouTube and Google search scenario versus doing the Google ads, the Bing ads, and the Facebook ads, which once again are just a real money drag. Like you're spending all your money on that. This, you don't have to, because these, you can do unlimited free ads with this program that Paul Murphy has. And once again, look at this, 2 minutes. This is on YouTube. Now, because YouTube and Google are the same company, this migrated over to the Google carousel, which is on the front page. That was done in 2 minutes. And also on the front, in the videos, which is the next after all, #1 here as well. So you can see what I'm saying is not only can you rank your YouTube videos real promptly, but it automatically goes into the Google carousel with this 24-hour ranking system. Now, Paul has been actually pretty conservative when he says a 24-hour ranking system, because as you can see here, it's done in like 2 minutes, 4 minutes. I've got a collage here of all the success I've had using his product. Now, I put my face on the videos only because I am the brand. However, the big myth is you have to put your face in front of the camera, which is absolutely not true. In fact, 99% of the videos out there really don't want to see your face. I mean, I don't know about you, but if I'm doing health and beauty products, I don't want to see my mug face because it's not the most healthiest, beautiful face in the world. Also, if I'm doing a car loan, I don't want to see a guy's face. I just want to see the application, or a mortgage. I just want to see the application. Or if I'm getting camera equipment, I just want to see the products. I don't want to see the person. Next one over here, you can see again, this is YouTube. Now, what's really cool about YouTube is this is a paid ad. And Paul will go into it in a little more detail that if you have a paid ad, that means the search that people are doing, there's money involved, or people wouldn't be giving paid ads or wouldn't be paying for ads. Now, my screenshot wasn't big enough, but you can see here, this is YouTube and how quickly it was. And after I put 10 videos on, now this is not a magic pill. This is not a get rich quick scheme. You're going to have to put some elbow grease into it. You're going to have to put some legwork into it. But I can promise you, after 10 videos, you're going to have some very good, serious success. And you look at here, as I've got number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The 13th person is my first competition. Then I got the rest of them, and this fellow down here, once again, is my competition. Can you imagine with your business or your affiliate company or your service or your product that the only competition you had was yourself? I mean, how cool would that be? I mean, also, on a side note, well, semi-side note, you look at 26 videos or 26 views, 52 views. I don't think there's 100 views on here except these two. This guy's got over 500,000 views here and 500,000 views here. And I bumped him out to number 12 or number 13 literally immediately. Same here. First page of Google. This is the first page of YouTube. Once again, I'm starting to put a stranglehold on this. And once again, I'm my main competition. So a little bit of background is once you start putting videos out and they have good content, YouTube will look at this and say, well, this fellow really is a force in the industry. He's a specialist. So they'll start grouping your videos together, and there'll be a stream of videos they'll put together because of their algorithm. And when they do that, if it's strong, you'll go right over to the first page of Google, and you can see here, I've got the first on Google. I mean, how cool is that for your business? Here, once again, I'm on the first of the carousel, which is like a billboard. And if you can get it here, that means it's a powerful video. And once again, you can do this in a matter of just minutes. A couple of hours, I get a little antsy thinking, where did my video go? Because I'm just used to having them done in literally minutes. Now, when you hit the link that I'm going to have access to on the video and also in the description box, you're actually going to come to a fellow that is this. This is Paul Murphy. And he talks about the weird loophole getting unlimited free Google ads. He put his money where his mouth is. I am extremely skeptical. And if you say something too good to be true, chances are, and especially if it's on the internet, it is too good to be true. However, he's put his money where his mouth is, and he has delivered on all his points here. I've been with him now for over 3 months, and he, based on his system and based on me following it, which it doesn't take much, I'm consistently on the first page of YouTube, like fast, like immediately. And when I look over at Google, bang, my video's right there just the same. So if you're having any kind of, if this has tweaked your curiosity at all, please check it out. I would invite you just to look at it. This, I believe, will take your business to another level, because there's nothing better for business. And the common denominator in all business is you want to lower your ad costs, which this will guarantee you do, and you want to increase your bona fide buyers, your traffic. And when people do Google searches, if the Google search has you in the top 5 or 6 or 7 spots, people will not go anywhere else. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and as I promised at the beginning of the video, I'm going to leave the link in the description box and also on the video so you can have access to Paul's amazing program of the 24-hour ranking system. Now, in the meantime, please hit the like button, the subscribe button so you don't miss another video of mine, and also leave a comment below, and we will see you in the next video. You have yourself a great day.